the minimum.
Under the minimum by how much?
2 millimeters.
Okay, we'll put a splash of oil in.
Baywatch, go ahead, 4 police 22.
Under reporting. Hey, just one. You got the city lifeguards responding on this?
Negative, sir. We just went 6, just got on scene. Yeah, we'll be in the water in the capsized sailboat. We're gonna try to put her on our boat, and we're gonna request them. If you guys are nearby, then it looks like we're gonna need to get somebody to pull this. Flip it back over.
Yeah, we can show up. I wasn't sure if the city had a boat going on today, so we'll get on scene with you in about 8 minutes. How's that?
Yes, this is Flight Landing, Balboa Yacht Club facility. Yes, we have a guest here who was stung by a stingray, and he appears to be having a severe reaction. Over. It's the American Dream calling the Coast Guard again. You guys told us to go to 12. Nobody's there.
American Dream Coast Guard. Negative, sir. Shift and answer channel 22 Alpha. 22 Alpha.
Okay. Okay, this is American Dream at 22.
Good afternoon, sir. Do you have a GPS position?
We are on the right side of Avalon. We're cruising at a slow speed going towards Avalon. I would say we're about 3 miles from there. We have an anchor swinging, and we can't get it up.
Roger. Are you traveling north or south?
There's a little bit of wind, a couple white caps, and keeping the windscreen sprayed with water, but otherwise it's not too bad. There isn't really any swell, just chop.
A little bit of a southerly rolling in here, but it's nice. The mornings are clear, and we'll see you in a couple hours.
Sounds good. What can did you guys end up on? Say again, scratchy. Yeah, same here. Say again, what mooring are you on?
On your right side this time, or on your port side would be just opposite where we were last night.
Oh, that's great. Closer to the beach. How's the wind in there? Any?
You know, it seems okay. There's a little bit of a southerly wind rolling through. It's nice though.
If we need a little adjustment, we'll try and do it. I'll try to get there.
Definitely throw out my second flopper stopper here in a little bit.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate your help. We'll be alongside in a couple of minutes.
All right. Well, sounds good. I should see you in less than 2 hours.
Roger that. Standing by 16.
All right. Time bandit back to 16. burn. Oh, okay. Okay, put the boom fall around the cleat. Put them both around the cleat. There you go. That's enough to take the tension. Now deal with the other one too. Just wrap that one around 3 times. You don't have to cleat hitch it. Just wrap it around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now cleat off your boom. Boom fall. Or no, what's that called? Topping lift. Topping lift. Cleat hitch. Yes, I am working on the boat situation. Chill. Nice. Okay, now.
Hi, Jeff. How's it going?
Things are pretty heavily corroded. I may have to use an electric buffer polisher. Looks like it needs a little more power than I can do with my hands. Or I'm just going to waste a whole tube of polish trying to do it with a rag.
Probably.
Yeah.
Or get out the sandpaper, but that would scratch it.